Happy Monday. So it is currently 2 p.m. and we are currently out for a walk. It's really nice out, like 70s. So I have my little hat on, and then Varys also has his hat on, and we're gonna go play, see if we can find some swings or some sand, because he hasn't really done that. But now that he can kind of sit up on his own, I think it'd be a lot of fun. So come on. Whoop. Oh, swoop. Woo, it's so fun. Swoop. Oh. He's eating the sand. Is it yucky? It's not good, huh? Can you do that? Can I? Ooh. Your turn. Ooh, look at you go. Whoa. Is it good? Shake, 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 shake. Wow, you tooted. All right, you want to go home? We've been playing for a while. Someone complimented the baby while we were at the park, and they were like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. I loves him. But we've been out for about 30 minutes now, so he probably is ready to like go in and get the sand off of him and everything. But I think you're having fun, huh? Want to come to the park again? Let's see if you're allergic to grass. So far, you're doing good. All right, I have to haul this all upstairs. So thanks for going to the park with us. I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the week, but this is pretty fun. Maybe we'll go again soon. I have an absolutely raging headache. We got a new coffee machine, so maybe making a coffee will help. So let's test out this grind mode, I guess. Here's my new unit. It's a cafe. So I think this needs to be switched to be bigger. Because right now it's like a little baby one. But I figured out how to brew coffee out of this without doing like the grinding feature. So I'm just assuming we just switch this. Pop that in. The black rock beans. The medium roast, and we got it obviously at Black Rock. It smells good. Let's see. We'll just, I don't know, we'll put some in there. See how this goes. The power. Okay, let's see. But it looks fancy, look. So I did like grinding noises as I was trying to flip you around. And then I put it to make a single cup. I don't know what that will do, but let's prep the latte. Usually for at-home coffee lately, I've been just doing like a spoonful of caramel syrup in a cup and then milk and ice. But I think to taste the baseline of the drink, standard some sugar at the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla today. Vanilla extract, I feel like it will be fine. It doesn't have to be a thing, you know? We use just some Oatly. This is not my favorite one. I really like the creamy, but I don't have that right now. The store was out. I'm gonna give this a mix, add some ice, and then add that coffee once it's done brewing. So we're out on a walk because it's 80 outside and it's so nice. So getting some exercise in. And then probably gonna go to Hot Works later. And then we're gonna meal prep for the rest of the day. So let's go.
You want to go a little closer to the water?